distribution. Is an order natin dito ngayon. Okay lang.
Yes, okay.
Pangalan
na okay.
Pangalan, ma'am?
Rose William Montayre.
Okay, thank you. Teacher B, retired teacher. Ready the bill, but lagi. Actually, I get president. 2019, I think. Yeah, but we're 46 all of it. Yeah, capture ako niyan. Yan din ang baro niya. So, that's it. Wow, wala. Walang alcohol, walang face mask.
Correct.
So that is our future president. My future president. He's going around, jump up people here. As you can see, viewers, Inday Sara Duterte, wala po siyang face mask, walang alcohol. And makamasa talaga, tingnan mo.
Diba? Makamasa talaga.
Makamasa, our future president. Inday Sara Duterte Carpio. Wow! O,
Yan ang VP namin.
yan ang VP, yan ang president namin.
Our president.
Wow! So just capturing those episodes. How Girl, where tayo man now? I'm a senior. Sakyan na rin. Dito na rin.
Open lang sana.
So I think this is President Duterte. My idol. Siya na sir? Wow! Again, I can see my idol there. So let's have a glimpses of our future president, Inday Sara Duterte Carpio. My idol! Yeah, going around just to meet everyone here. Picturing in a real life how she is loved by people of the power. So Inday Sara, Vice President, future President of the Philippines, is really one of a kind. We are welcoming everyone here, the crowd. Although we are jam-packed, so many of us are here. But the young, the ones who was young, the senior, the kids are here. Wow, that's it. And having time to talk to his constituents. For now, my coverage live and alive here in Bangkal, Davao City. A day of share love. President Duterte and Duterte is here, including our Vice President. Buhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher B, YouTube, Magbuhay Channel. Thank you, Magbuhay, Magbuhay.